Developing the in-house fabrication facility is one of the best decisions we have ever made for our organization. It was not easy though. It took several months of research for required type of machinery, equipment, even raw materials and skilled workers. In the process of fabricating an enclosure out of SS and MS metal sheets, we first need to design the entire panel enclosure in designing software. Our team of qualified engineers maintain maximum accuracy and minimum tolerance level. Modern day equipments such as bending machine, shearing machine, pillar drill machines, power press, welding machines, bus bar bending machine are being useful for performing various operations on metal sheets. We do maintain the quality of enclosures by performing various tests such as impact test, bending test, hardness test, chemical resistance test. Various standards like IP41, IP42, IP45, IP55, IP56 and IP65. We have the expertise to manufacture such enclosures that fits the criteria of those standards. The in-house fabrication facility also allows us to deliver the panel to our customers on time and to make necessary customization as per their requirements. Have a look to enclosures designed and fabricated by Tatvamasi Automation Private Limited.